Now, when it comes to fall flavors, I think it's safe to say that most people think of flavors like apple and pumpkin and cinnamon. And while those are all definitely part of the fall flavor lexicon, we cannot forget about ginger. I mean, without ginger, there is no apple pie, there is no pumpkin spice latte. I mean, where would Starbucks be without pumpkin spice latte, right? Look, I love ginger, and any chance I get to use it, I absolutely jump on it. So when I saw the name of today's recipe, which is called Gingerly, and it was created by Jason Wilson, who's a writer at Boozehound, I knew I had to at least give a look at the recipe. And when I saw, I said, you know what, that looks pretty darn interesting. I think I'll make that on YouTube. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and make today's cocktail for you. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. All right, folks, let's go ahead and look at what is in the sauce for our gingerly cocktail. The first thing you're gonna need is a ½ an ounce of lemon juice, all right, folks? I'm gonna be using my super lemon juice here, all right? And that's a ½ an ounce of that. And then you're gonna want a $1/4 ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, okay? So this is gonna give you some really nutty notes, some floral notes as well. So you want to make sure you use this very sparingly because it's very strong, okay? And then we're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of apple brandy, okay? I'm gonna be using Laird's Bonded, which is my absolute favorite apple brandy. It didn't call for a specific apple brandy, at least not the recipe I saw, so you should feel free to use whatever you have, like Calvados or something like that. Should work just fine, okay? And then we're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of Genever. Now, Genever is like a funky, malty cousin of gin. I believe it's a precursor of gin, as a matter of fact, right? So we're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of Genever. Now, if you don't have this stuff, you know what? Give it a try with some gin. I mean, I can't imagine it'll be that much worse or different or anything like that, all right? And then last but not least, our ginger element, all right? We're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of ginger liqueur, all right? So I'm using King's here, and we're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of that, right, folks? Now I'm gonna go ahead and just add some ice to our shaker. Okay, and then I'm gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook that bad boy up enough. I'm gonna go ahead and get my glass out now, which I've had chilling like a villain. And let's go ahead and double strain our cocktail in. All right, looking good. Looking really nice. There we go. Oh yeah, we're gonna get ourselves a nice wash line. Beautiful. Put that to the side. Put my shaker. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and garnish that with a little bit of candied ginger. All right, we'll put that right here on the side there. And there we have it, folks. Our gingerly cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give our gingerly cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. You know, this kind of makes me realize I haven't had Maraschino Liqueur in a long time. It's actually been some time since I've had it. I miss those floral notes, those nutty notes that come with it. Oh man, really good. Last Word is where you would find that cocktail famously, and it's such a fantastic cocktail. And I'm really getting some of that here. Oh yeah, that's really nice, guys. The ginger notes are actually not as pronounced as you would think they would be. It's definitely more the Maraschino Liqueur and some of the apple notes that are really kind of pushing forward in this cocktail. You do get a little bit of that kind of funky, kind of malty stuff going on from the Genever, so that's definitely there as well. It's a nice little cocktail. Nothing too big, nothing too complex, but definitely just very easy and palatable. I'm very much enjoying this. Oh yeah. Nice little drink, guys. Very happy with this. Anyway, folks, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.